Ayan. Birthday ni Chanel. Bakit walang nag-crabbing? Ay, si El pala bago mag-recruit. Ang ganda ng lang. Daddy, daddy. Bless daddy. Oh, kiss daddy, kiss. Where? No? Where's Pinka? Where? Uy, sunstorm na siya.
Keep it up, keep it up.
Keep it there daw. Gusto daw rin daw. This one. Here we go, guys. We are here now in Maruna Beach and it's like there is a typhoon over there. So there's a heavy rain and a strong wind. And I'm expecting to catch more crabs for today. No, it's not part of our team. So this is the situation right now. Where is the police? There. Still catch game. Yeah, because they are watching maybe some people are going to the beach. Yes, Miling. There is a strong rain, strong thunder, and Elle is excited because it is her first time to go outside, and she didn't enjoy the beach. Yeah, it's nice to have like this kind of thing, like once in 7 years in Qatar. Where? Maybe Chris will fly. Oh my God, that's Chris. This one, the one inside the tent. No, in the tent. That's for sure. It will be dangerous. It will be getting worse.
You are driving on this one, that's dangerous.
Yeah.
If it's down, then
This will stop now after 1 hour. No, I know. But it will stay. That's why we're telling to Chanel. The lights, maybe the thunder will catch the light.
the battery will get short, the battery is down.
Yes, maybe they cannot drive tomorrow.
No, that's not car battery, separate battery.
Ah. I thought it's from the car. Oh my god, shit. We will be toasted. It's like we are in a survival Qatar. So the one who will survive to stay here is the winner. Don't have rights. They like that. Huh? Of course with them. We won't like stay here to watch people. Why there is truck? Or what?
What?
This one. This is truck, right?
Oh, that's photo caravan. You can get it on rent.
Ah. The walking caravan?
Because of rain, there will be.
Just take picture.
Why?
A video, my dear. Just okay. On the car. Yeah. Who's the one who will survive to stay here in this kind of close my view. Then we can have our party now inside the car. So all of them are going home, but they didn't think, they're not thinking. There's already flood there. Where's the water? But flood will not come here, you know, this is our sun.
Unfortunately,
Then
we're
later.
stuck inside the car because of the rain and wind outside, strong wind and lightning,
Thunderstorm.
I think we will move more, brother.
Why?
Still on the wind.
I can't cover like 4